we just gonna ride back this way and see if we get lost.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
You can live without an arm. You can live without a leg. You can live without both arms and both legs, as long as you got somebody to take care of you. But you can't live without your head. Come on, people. I definitely it's a free country, but man, please wear a helmet, please. If you ain't doing it for you, do it for your family, you know. And I'm wondering, shouldn't be talking right now because I ain't wearing my jacket. I actually just like I did earlier, you know, I forgot I had my gloves sitting right here in my seat, stuck them on there, hit the record button, and I left, and I didn't put my gloves on. I do want to try to protect my fingers and stuff, you know. But you know, yeah, it's a free country, and you do not have to wear a helmet. Man, I can tell you, these helmets can get hot. Ask me how I know, but I'm the idiot that bought one in black, and I got a big head. That means I got a bunch of air around it too. All that. So, saying all that, you know, it's I do got a big head. I don't know what else to say, guys. It gets hot in these helmets, I know. I try to put the shaded or the tinted face mask on there, so that way it kind of helps reflect some of the sun. Hopefully it's helping keep out some of the heat, but I don't know. It's all wishful thinking.